In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Ninja Forms to Gmail, easy integration. By the end, you'll know 3 reliable ways to get form submissions from your WordPress site into your Gmail inbox, and you can pick the approach that fits your setup best. First, open the connection guide for Ninja Forms and Gmail, then click on the tutorial titled How to Connect Ninja Forms to Gmail, Easy Integration. This overview lays out your options clearly so you can follow along step by step inside your own site. Next, click on Option 1, using the built-in email notification. This is the simplest method because Ninja Forms can send email notifications without extra tools. After that, log into your WordPress site and head to Ninja Forms, then Dashboard. From there, open your form and review the Emails and Actions panel. Make sure an email action is enabled and that the recipient is set to the Gmail address where you want to receive messages. Keep the subject clear and include key fields in the message body. A quick tip here, deliverability can vary with basic PHP mail. So if messages land in spam or go missing, consider the next option for more reliable sending. Click on Option 2, using SMTP to send emails via Gmail. This is the recommended path for consistent delivery. Click through and follow the guidance to install an SMTP plugin in WordPress, such as WP Mail SMTP or EasyWP SMTP. Once the plugin is installed, connect it to Gmail using the plugin setup wizard. This tells your site to send mail through Gmail servers, improving authentication and reducing the chance of emails being flagged. When available, use secure authorization methods offered by the plugin rather than storing plain passwords, and match your from address with a real mailbox you control for best results. If you prefer not to change how your site sends mail at all, click on Option 3, using Zapier. This no SMTP approach sends messages through Gmail directly from a Zap rather than WordPress. Click to create a Zapier account, then use the Ninja Forms submission as your trigger and Gmail as your action to send an email. This route is great if you want extra flexibility like custom routing or adding labels in Gmail without modifying email settings on your site. Whichever method you choose, send a quick test submission to confirm everything works. If you don't see the message, check spam, verify the recipient, and use your SMTP plugins test tool if you set one up. That's it. Your Ninja Forms and Gmail are now connected the easy way.